Congratulations on the purchase of your new Kia Sorento. Here's just a quick video to get you up to speed on some of the internal features of this car. So on the right hand door panel here, you have our mirror adjustment settings. We have our automatic folding button, which folds in the mirrors. We also have the adjustment setting, which adjusts the positioning of the mirrors. We have our central locking, and we have our 4 window switches. Coming to the steering wheel then, on the right hand side we have our cruise control options. So we click this button to set to cruise control mode. Then we flick down on this button to set to your desired speed, and then you can adjust the speed by clicking up to increase or down to decrease. This is our lane keep assist button here, so we can turn that on or off, and this is also our adaptive cruise control feature. This is operated using a front radar camera, which is situated here just behind the mirror, and using this function we can set a desired spacing between you and the car in front of you, and it will adjust speed in accordance with the car in front of you. On the left hand side we have our multimedia functions, so we can take or decline calls, we can adjust the volume of the radio, and we also have our voice recognition button here. The most common question we get with our new cars is how to connect our Bluetooth devices. So it's quite simple. You just slide across, click on the phone feature here, and then you click add new. Then on our phone we will just go into our Bluetooth device settings, and once you click OK, it should come up at the bottom, Kia Motors. You click on that, and then you click pair, and then we'll allow contacts to sync, and our hands-free device will be free to use. Then we also have our automatic climate control in this model. So this is our auto button here to set the automatic climate control. This is for the driver's side temperature to flick up or down. This is the passenger side, which you can flick up or down. And then these buttons here control the power, so we can turn it up or turn it down. Then we have our heated seats function here. So we can, this is for the driver's side, this is for the passenger side. We have a couple of charging points in underneath here. So you can see we have our 3 USB ports. We also have a wireless charging station here. We have an automatic transmission, which we slide to the right and slide to the left for drive and reverse. And then we click park for park mode. Then coming here we have our auto stop start. We have our heated steering wheel, an auto hold function. We also have a reversing camera, rear view camera as well. We have our parking sensors and our hill assist function. This model also comes with an electric handbrake. If you have any further questions on your Kia Sorento, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.